Did you ever stop to wonder what our world would look like today if Abraham Lincoln had never taken office? If the American Civil War had taken a different turn? The story begins in the quiet town of Hodgenville, Kentucky, on February 12, 1809. A boy named Abraham Lincoln was born into a humble family, unaware that he was destined to become the 16th President of the United States and one of the most influential figures in American history. As a young man, Lincoln had a thirst for knowledge, often walking miles just to borrow a book. He taught himself law, and by the time he was in his 30s, he had become a successful lawyer in Illinois. But Lincoln's ambition didn't stop at law. He sought to influence the course of the nation. In 1860, Lincoln won the presidential election and immediately faced one of the most profound crises in American history, the threat of a civil war. 7 southern states, unhappy with Lincoln's stance against the expansion of slavery, seceded from the Union. Despite Lincoln's efforts to avoid it, the American Civil War began in April of 1861. The war was brutal and costly, with an estimated 620,000 lives lost. Lincoln faced immense pressure, but he remained steadfast in his commitment to preserve the Union and end slavery. In January of 1863, Lincoln signed the Emancipation Proclamation, declaring that all enslaved people in Confederate-held territory were free. This marked a significant turning point in the war and in the nation's history. In November of 1863, Lincoln delivered one of the most famous speeches in American history, the Gettysburg Address. In just a few minutes, Lincoln eloquently summarized the war's purpose and renewed the nation's commitment to the ideals of freedom and equality. Lincoln's leadership during the Civil War was marked by a unique blend of political acumen, empathy, and unwavering commitment to the Union. Despite the profound challenges and personal losses he faced, Lincoln remained focused on his mission until his tragic assassination in April of 1865. So, what have we discovered about Abraham Lincoln and the American Civil War? Lincoln rose from humble beginnings to become one of the most influential figures in American history. He navigated the country through its most severe crisis, the Civil War, and played a significant role in the abolition of slavery. Imagine a world without Lincoln's influence, without his unwavering commitment to unity and freedom. It's safe to say that the fabric of American society, as we know it today, would be profoundly different. And with that thought, we come to the end of our journey. The story of a man who changed the course of a nation, whose legacy continues to shape the world we live in. A testament to the power of conviction, the importance of leadership, and the enduring value of freedom. The story of Abraham Lincoln.